snored through the morning, he snored through the noon. Never a peep, never a zoom. Oh, Finnegan, Finnegan, wake up now. The world is a-spinning, just look at it, wow. Finnegan, Finnegan, what will you do? The sun is so bright and the sky is so blue. His bed was a cloud, his pillow a fluff. He mumbled of biscuits and sugary stuff. The birds started singing a really loud tune, but Finnegan dreaming beneath the pale moon. Oh, Finnegan, Finnegan, wake up now. The world is a-spinning, just look at it, wow. Finnegan, Finnegan, what will you do? The sun is so bright and the sky is so blue. A little bee buzzed right close to his ear. A butterfly flitted, no sign of a tear. His eyelid just twitched, a really small blink. He finally stirring, what does he think?